This is a demonstration of the Cat Commander IoT clock and Kibble dispenser. The device has been powered on and has retrieved the time from the NTP server, and the time is scrolling across the display. The user interface is displayed on the iPad at left, and the motor has been set to run for 4 seconds. When I press the Feed Now link on the iPad, there is a delay because of the Arduino RGB library, which is blocking, but the motor should come on for 4 seconds. I'll press Feed Now, and it starts a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. So when this display completes, it should run for 4 seconds. There goes the Kibble. And the bowl is filled. So it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.